Hello, this is Nick Vames from Foggy Mountain Gem Mine. Due to the COVID-19 virus, many people are not able to travel to our stores to experience an in-person mining adventure. So we are bringing the identification part of the experience to you in a virtual format. And I would like to introduce to you our brand new virtual identification program. First, you will need to purchase a dirt kit through our online store or give us a call at 828-963-4367 and purchase it over the telephone. Within 48 hours, we will ship to you one of our custom-made wooden screen boxes and a bag of the same enriched ore we use at our award-winning stores. Then you use your new screen box and provided ore to sift for gems in the convenience and safety of your own home. After you have sifted through the ore and found all the gemstones, you can use the provided identification card to help determine what your stones are. But if you want that personal one-on-one stone sorting session with one of our highly trained staff, scan the QR code on the back of the identification card to be directed to our scheduling platform. There you will be able to schedule a time during our operating hours. Let us know what type of service you would like to use, like Skype, Zoom, FaceTime, Google Meeting, etc. And leave us your username and we will call you at the desired time. The virtual sorting process is new to us, so we are not sure about how long this is going to take right now, but we are hoping that we can answer all your questions within 15 to 30 minutes. The more you want to know, the more we'll be glad to share. We can even show you parts of the process that it takes to go from rough gemstones to a finished piece of jewelry. The experience of discovering precious gemstones is both fun and educational, and we're happy to be able to offer this new virtual stone sorting program. You, your loved ones, and your friends will love being able to use our custom screen boxes to pan for gems and learn about the characteristics of many different gemstones. Thanks for watching, and we hope to be hearing from you soon, and have a great day.